How to clean your baby's tongue, tips and precautions. How to clean your baby's tongue. Wash your hands first. Always start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Make sure your nails are trimmed to avoid scratching your baby's mouth. Use a clean soft cloth or gauze. Wrap a clean damp gauze or soft cloth around your index finger. Use warm, not hot, boiled water that has cooled down. Gently open your baby's mouth. Hold your baby securely in your lap or on a flat surface. Use one hand to support their head and gently open their mouth with your thumb. Wipe the tongue carefully. Gently rub your wrapped finger over your baby's tongue in small circular motions. Start from the center and move outward to remove milk residue or white coating. Clean the gums and inner cheeks too. Wipe along the gums and inside of the cheeks to maintain full oral hygiene. This helps prepare your baby for brushing later on. Rinse and replace the cloth. Rinse the cloth in clean water after each wipe. Use a fresh piece for every cleaning session. Frequency. For newborns, clean once daily or after every few feedings. As teeth start to appear, transition to a baby toothbrush and water. Precautions. Be gentle. Never scrub or press hard. A baby's tongue and mouth are very delicate. Avoid using toothpaste until your baby is around 18 months old. Use only water. Watch for white patches. If the coating doesn't come off easily, it might be oral thrush. Consult your pediatrician. Don't use cotton swabs or hard brushes. These can hurt the baby's soft tissues. Keep cleaning tools hygienic. Always use fresh, sterilized cloth or gauze. Keeping your baby's tongue clean is a simple yet important part of daily hygiene. It helps prevent bacteria buildup, bad breath, and oral infections, ensuring your little one's mouth stays healthy. With gentle care, clean tools, and consistency, you'll build good oral habits right from the start, setting the foundation for a bright, healthy smile in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Parenting tips and baby care for more informative videos.